Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we are going to look at nesting media objects. So we got our media object right here that we've done previously. Just show you what that looks like. It's like a blog comment. But what you can do is add media objects within media objects, and that's if you use the example of a blog and commenting, it's sort of simulating somebody responding to a comment and then somebody responding to that comment, so forth, so forth. So to do it's really simple. I'm not going to write any code out because we got the media object right here. It's going to copy this. Obviously if you want it to be different you'll have to do another media object, but in terms of the structure I'm just going to copy that. And to embed a media object into this one, all you do is go to the media body, go to the media heading. After that is the bit of text that is displayed right here, aka the content, the body, the text body I should say, the meat of the media object. And after that you simply copy and paste your new media object. And now I'm just going to sort out the indentation, save that, refresh, and there we go, we've got a media object inside a media object. And you can add as many media objects within each other as you want. So I'm just going to add it again, same principle, just add it after this text right here. Just going to sort out the indentation, save it, refresh. There we go, we got this media object that is embedded into this one, this is nested into this one. And you might be thinking, okay, how do I add a media object so it's nested in here but it's displayed after this one? So it's like, chronologically speaking, it was added, let's say, to a database after both of these, but you don't want it nested within this one or within that one. You want it in the same line, and to do that all you do is add it after this media object, not inside but after. So what I'm going to do is go here, this is the core text, this is the first nested media object. I just need to find the closing div, it's just underlined this, so let's scroll down, it's right here. So I'm just going to add it after that, sort out the indentation again, save it, go back, refresh, and there we go, we got a media object that is nested into this media object, and it's in line with this one. So it's already looking like I said, a commenting system, a blog, or some sort of news article with very little effort. So that's nested media objects. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There's thousands of completely free tutorials on there, video tutorials that is. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help keep the content free. Plus also we'll have a link in the description to the source code from this video, so if you're having a bit of trouble, check that out. And as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.